In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contacts list in Monday.com. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand that Monday.com offers a versatile platform that helps streamline tasks and projects by using boards for organization. Setting up a contacts list in Monday.com can be really helpful to manage and access your connections seamlessly. To get started, you'll first need to create a new board. Now, don't worry if you're not familiar with the interface yet. I'll guide you through this smoothly. Look towards the top of your screen and locate the current workspace name. Right next to it, you'll see a small plus icon. By clicking on this icon, you'll initiate the creation of a new board. This is where your contacts will live. Once you've clicked the plus icon, you'll be given a selection of options, and from these you want to choose Board. This allows you to set up your contacts with a dedicated space, making it easier to customize and interact with them as needed. After selecting Board, you'll be presented with an option to start with Template. Templates are a fantastic feature inside Monday.com, as they provide ready-made structures to get you up and running quickly. From the list of available templates, scroll and find the one labeled Contacts. This is a free template provided by Monday.com and is specifically designed for the purpose of managing contacts efficiently. It's a perfect starting point without the hassle of building a board from scratch. Once you've spotted the Contacts template, simply click on Use Template. What this does is automatically create a new board pre-filled with columns and settings poised for contact management. It's like having a head start, which is always a welcome advantage. With your new board created, it's now time to personalize it to suit your needs. You'll notice placeholders in your contacts list. These are there to help visualize how your board will function. Feel free to edit these placeholders to transform them into actual contacts. If you can't use some of them, simply delete them to keep things tidy. To add your new contacts, look to the top of the board. You'll find a button labeled New Contact. By pressing this button, you can input new names, phone numbers, emails, and any other details essential to your contacts. This button effectively becomes your primary tool for expanding your contacts list. So that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to create a comprehensive contacts list on Monday.com using their intuitive template system. This simple yet powerful feature will surely make managing your connections more organized and accessible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick guide helps you stay perfectly organized.